Children, let us understand what is the network, and how different networks become internet. This is a computer. This is another computer, connected to each other. It means that these two computers are in network now. Network means a group of computers connected each other for sharing resources. Similarly, this is another network. Networks of networks is called internetwork. In internetwork is network of networks. That is, global network connecting billions of computers. Sometimes, the internet simply called as net. In a network, computer is identified by its unique ID address. That is, Internet Protocol address, the internet connection between the computers, either by wire or wireless. Let's say this is the internet. Children, you understand something about internet. Now, we are going to learn what is required to access the internet. ISP, Internet Service Provider, provides the internet accounts. There are many ISPs across the globe. This is your computer, and this is your modem, your computer connected to modem, and modem interconnected to Internet Service Provider. Now, let's understand the internet in detail. These are the servers on the internet: Gmail, Google, and MSN, Facebook, etc. These are the routers used to forward the data in computer networks. This is your computer, ready to connect the internet, and this is the data modem. This is your ISP, that is Internet Service Provider. Usually Internet Service Provider maintains named server. Data center. Children, these are all enablers to access the internet. Now, let us understand how data transfer through internet. Your computer connected to modem, provided by the Internet Service Provider. Internet Service Provider transferred the data to the routers through name server and data center. This is your computer, and this is Facebook server. Your computer is already connected to the internet. Now let us see how the request goes to Facebook server to get the data. Web browser, that is, Internet Explorer, open here and type www.facebook.com. Now, let us see how your request goes to the Facebook server. First, the request goes to modem. Why? As you know, telephone cables are used to transfer the data on the internet. Children, we should understand how the data transfer through a telephone cable. Telephone cables are designed to carry the analog signals only, whereas the computer is a digital machine, and it understands the digital signals only. To solve this problem, Modems are introduced. Modem. A modem converts the digital signal to analog signal. Again the analog signal to digital signal from the modem. The request goes to Internet Service Provider, an Internet Service Provider, which is an organization that provides access to the Internet. Name server. Name server is a part of Internet Service Provider, which does the conversion from domain name to IP address, or IP address to the domain name, from name server. The request goes to the data center. Data center gives the direction to reach their destination server. Server takes the user request and processes it, the requested page or file, first converted into a data package and ready to travel in the network. Now the response is coming back to your computer. All the received data packages can be converted into a web page by your web browser. See, the requested Facebook web page appeared on your computer.